second full day and the third night of having this little Sparrow. We just got done feeding him, and sometimes it can be a mess for me trying to get everything down his throat. So if you see any mess on my glove, that's what it's from. But I put on clean gloves every time. And by the end of the third day with us, or the third night, I should say, day 2, he's starting to get little feathers. Finally, his eyes are still not open. And he's actually really tiny, and this is like zooming in much larger than he is, but you can see some of his, on the wings there, starting to get feathers, and some little tail feathers down here that are starting to form. So he's coming along, and I'll put him back into his clean makeshift nest so that he can get warm. He needs to get warm here. I'm going to clean out all this bedding tomorrow. Just trying to well, he's kind of hiding in here. He's down in here. Anyway, this kind of keeps him warmer. So, there he is. And then I have him in this bigger basket for now, and then I just pull this knit shawl over the top because it's breathable, and that keeps him warm in there until 20 minutes from now, when it's time for me to get him out to start to get ready to feed him again.